You know, as carpet cleaning professionals, we get calls all the time for all different types of cleanup. We never know what type of call we're going to get. For instance, this job right here, the customer called, said they had some blood on the carpet. So now as a professional carpet cleaner, it's up to me to ask the questions to the client, go out and look at the job, and not only do an inspection, but also do an assessment. What do I mean by an assessment? I need to assess whether or not this is a biohazard cleanup job or whether this is a simple cleaning. I'm going to show you the difference between the two so you can take care of it. Now you're probably thinking, hey Rob, the customer's done told you how much blood there is. Well really, if you really think about it, customers don't always understand the gravity of the situation or the amount of blood that can move it over into a biohazard cleanup. So that's why I feel like it's very important to you as a professional, not only to assess it, but to build a strategic partnership or an alliance with a remediation company you can refer it to so you can both benefit from it. Okay, I've already met with the client and I'm going ahead and assess the situation. Notice I have gloves on, I have shoe covers on. And in this situation right here, their small child basically cut their foot and they walked back and forth from the master bedroom to the bathroom. So there's like 20 plus spots that are going right here. And it's easy to assess that you notice here, there's no puddling, they're just spots. And this, in my professional opinion, is not a biohazard job. And so I'm going to show you right now what type of products I'm going to use to clean this up and how I'm going to clean it up. Now that we've determined we can go ahead and clean it, and it wasn't puddled up, it wasn't a crime scene, because customers aren't always fluent in exactly how much is on the carpet. So I've got here, I've assessed the situation. I don't need to refer it to a biohazard company. I can go ahead and clean it. So I'm going to go ahead and use Unchained, Black Label, and at the very end I'm going to show you a cool tip with a spotter. Watch for that. Okay, you're probably wondering, hey Rob, why do you carry two different inline sprayers on your truck? There's a good reason for it. I like to keep my oxidizers generally separate from my pre-sprays. So I'll carry one Hydroforce with a quick disconnect for my organic product like Unchained, and I'll go ahead and carry one for my different pre-sprays like Black Label, Blue Label, or any other pre-spray I want to use. So all I simply have to do, take my quick disconnect, hook it up, walk right on the house, and I'm good to go. Oh, and by the way, make sure you run your machine on idle when you're cleaning blood because you don't want to set it, you want to run it on cooler temperatures. Oh, hey, and by the way, Unchained is made for all types of organic stains. all of the blood stains came completely out of the carpet. Unfortunately, it's just a little bit of residual on one spot. And generally, as a rule of thumb, that is iron left over from the blood. So what do? Well, we like to use our rust out product. It takes a little bit of rust out, it's gelled. This is a safer type of rust remover. You take it, put it on there, blot it, and generally it's gone. Hey, don't forget we operate on the law of reciprocity. We continue to put out fresh content all the time in the cleaning industry to help you become a better professional. That way you can be more successful. So through the law of reciprocity, by making you more successful, we become more successful. So please don't forget we're a family business. Take the time, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. On top of it, remember at tmfshop.net is where you can find all these fine products and equipment and stuff like that to help you become as successful and prosperous as possible. I'm Rob Allen with TruckMountForums. Have yourself a great day.